And y'all see those ships and stuff out there? Those cargo ships. And guess what, guys? A lot of y'all food from America is being shipped over here. We see it on the shelves in the stores and everything. Oh, I'm sorry, summer honey. Summer honey. Oh, yeah, look, oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Look at from this angle. Alright, be careful. Have you ever been up here before, Godfrey?
Hmm?
Is this your first time up here?
Mm-mm.
Oh, you've been up here before?
Yes.
Okay. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. You know, the closest I've gotten to see something like this is in a timeshare in Florida, and they would make like the swimming area like this, but it's not on the ocean. It's not ocean. It's a big old swimming pool.
Just
but then they
before.
put the rocks and stuff like this in it, and they kind of give you this illusion of this here. So y'all, I'm in the real deal, y'all. Now I ain't in no swimming pool. I'm in the ocean, y'all. This the ocean. Why settle for the little fake John when I can have a real deal? Look at this guy. Look at this water. Oh my goodness. One day, Lord's will, I'll go swimming in this water. I can swim, you know. I used to swim ever since I was a little girl, and I still swim to this day. But I haven't swam in anything like this at all, ever. 17 feet of water was the deepest I've ever been in. Well, no, I've been in the ocean before, but never past, just like feet wet ocean type thingy. That's it. Never under the water type thing. Never swam. But this is, oh, so inviting. This is beautiful. Look at that over there. How could you not? This is beautiful. You know, some of us would sail the way off this coast over to America and other parts of the world.